Anemones. Let's dive in. Generally in fall, the color palette tends to lead toward oranges and yellows, but if you're looking to keep things on the softer sides in sort of the pale pinks and purples, anemone is a great plant for you. One of the things that I particularly like about anemone or windflower, aside from these amazing flowers, is actually the leaves. These leaves are very different from many other perennial leaves in the fact that they're very, very large. To me, they look a little bit like a cross between a hellebore and a maple leaf, and you usually don't get this type of a leaf out of many perennials. Anemones can do well in full sun, but they do appreciate a little bit of an afternoon shade. So if you're looking to bring a little bit of that spring palette back to your fall garden, anemone is a great plant for you.
Japanese anemones are a staple for any cottage garden due to their beautiful late-season blooms, as well as the amount of interest they can provide, from whites to pinks, magentas, purples, and even reds. Japanese anemones prefer full to partial sun and do well in moist, well-draining soil. As you can see, are beloved by bees. They get about 12 to 36 inches tall depending on the cultivar, and about 12 to 36 inches wide.
Anemones are a beautiful flowering perennial that make a colorful addition to any garden. Although they don't contain any nectar, they are plentiful in pollen, so pollinators can feed on them throughout the flowering season. And if you leave the seed heads on in winter, birds can feed on them as well. Their showy blooms and delicate little buds work wonderfully in cut flower arrangements too. Although they have been used medicinally as a sedative or anti-anxiety tincture, they're also slightly toxic to humans, so I would just enjoy these for the colorful blooms and the wildlife benefits they offer.
Whether you use them as a cut flower or let them stand for the birds and the bees, anemones make a great cold hardy addition to any garden. Thanks again for joining us on yet another one of our deep dives. If you like what you're seeing, make sure you like this video and leave us a comment and let us know what plants you'd like to see next. And subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of this amazing content. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.